Hello and welcome back to our channel. For today's video is how to use Excel for budgeting. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. Excel is a powerful tool for budgeting as it allows you to easily create, update, and track your budget. Here are the steps you can follow to use Excel for budgeting. Now, first thing we're gonna do is open Excel. Now we're already here inside Excel. Now, as you see here, there are different types of budgeting here. So let's just try for this one, for the simple budget. So it depends on which budget you are going to use, but you can make your own if you want. But for easy way, you can choose from these tabs. So let's try to open this. And as you can see here, it easily tracks your money with this simple monthly budget template. These budgeting templates helps you more quickly and easily stay on top of your finances. You can input key income and expenses into customizable tables and watch Excel to do the rest. So if you are going to create this, so you can see here the total monthly income, total monthly expenses, and the balance. If you see on the next tab, so there is the monthly income. So you can input here your income. And you can also designate which income is that. For example, from salary or in your business or anything else. And on this other tab, you can see here the monthly expenses. So it is listed here all the expenses and you can just change the amount. And you can also add any if you want to or change. Now if you go back to summary, the one that you inputted in the monthly income and monthly expenses will be going here in the summary. So it's just the same with other example like this budget overview. So this track monthly income and household budget expenses with a monthly household budget template from Excel. It tracks spending by comparing projected costs against the actual expenditure. So let's try to create. So it analyzes your projected versus actual budget balance. So as you can see, there are the different tabs. So in the first tab, you can see here the budget overview and the budget summary, the projected cost and actual cost and the difference. And here are the monthly expenses and the additionals. And you can just take a look and study it, and you can also choose the other like this monthly company budget and the wedding budget tracker. So that's it. I hope that you learned something and this video helps. If you have any questions or comments, can you put it in the comment section below and make sure to subscribe and like. Thanks!